Ever dreamt of making money effortlessly? What if I told you it's possible? Today, we're diving into an incredible AI tool that can generate income while you sleep. Sound impossible? Stick around to find out how. The subject of today's video is an AI-powered tool. This tool helps you create passive income streams. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. Imagine earning while you relax or sleep. It all starts with understanding how this tool functions. First, let's explore what this AI tool is. It's a sophisticated application using machine learning and automation. It analyzes market trends to create profitable opportunities. The AI learns continuously, adapting to new data. This means it becomes smarter over time. Next, let's discuss how to set up this tool. Begin by creating an account on the platform. Then, customize your investment preferences. Decide your risk tolerance and investment goals. After that, the tool will generate strategies tailored just for you. Now, let's dig deeper into how it works. The AI monitors the market for you. It identifies profitable trades or investment opportunities. When the conditions are right, it executes trades automatically. This means no manual work is needed on your part. To give a concrete example, let's consider a scenario. Suppose you invest in a stock trading AI. The AI detects a rising stock trend. It buys shares for you. While you sleep, it sells when prices peak. You wake up to profits without lifting a finger. In summary, this AI tool revolutionizes earning money. By automating trading and investments, you create passive income. No expertise or constant attention is needed. Just set it up and let it do the work for you. If this sounds exciting, why not give it a try? Click the link in the description below to start your journey. Don't wait, make your money work for you today.